Norway, located in northern Europe, is known for its pristine nature, Viking history, and modern cities. From the Arctic wonders of Tromsø to the bustling streets of Oslo, Norway is a destination that offers something for everyone. Norway, located in northern Europe, is known for its pristine nature, Viking history, and modern cities. From the Arctic wonders of Tromsø to the bustling streets of Oslo, Norway is a destination that offers something for everyone. Norway is one of the best places on Earth to witness the northern lights. Visit during winter for a surreal experience of green and purple lights dancing across the Arctic sky. And in summer, the midnight sun shines, offering endless daylight. For adventurers, Norway is paradise. Hike iconic spots like Trolltunga and Preikestolen, or ski in some of Europe's best winter resorts. If you love wildlife, head to the Lofoten Islands for whale watching and bird spotting. Norway's cities are a mix of modernity and tradition. Oslo, the capital, is famous for its green spaces, art museums, and the striking Oslo Opera House. Bergen, known as the gateway to the fjords, offers colorful wooden houses and rich history, and Trondheim, home to Nidaros Cathedral, is a step back in time. Don't leave Norway without trying its cuisine. Fresh seafood, reindeer stew, and sweet treats like lefse are must-haves. And if you visit during festivals, you'll experience Norway's vibrant music, art, and Sami traditions. Norway is a land of wonders, a place where nature meets culture, and adventure is always around the corner. Whether you're seeking peace, thrill, or inspiration, Norway has it all. So, when are you planning your Norwegian adventure? Like and subscribe for more travel adventures. Let us know in the comments. What's your dream destination in Norway?